The AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard is a standout choice for gamers and professionals alike, offering a blend of performance, versatility, and style. With its tri-mode connectivity, this keyboard can seamlessly connect via Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB-C, allowing you to switch between up to 5 devices effortlessly. This feature is particularly useful for those who juggle multiple devices, whether it's a PC, laptop, tablet, or gaming console like PS or Xbox. One of the most impressive aspects of the F99 Pro is its hot swappable design. This means you can easily customize your keyboard by swapping out switches without soldering, making it perfect for enthusiasts who want to tailor their typing experience. The pre-lubed linear switches provide a smooth keystroke, enhancing both gaming and typing performance. The gasket structure further adds to the comfort, reducing noise and providing a more cushioned feel during use. The RGB backlighting is another highlight, offering vibrant colors that can be customized to match your setup or mood. Whether you're gaming in a dark room or working during the day, the backlit keys ensure visibility and style. The side-printed PBT keycaps are durable and resistant to wear, ensuring that your keyboard looks great even after extensive use. In terms of build quality, the AULA F99 Pro feels solid and well-constructed. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for both work and play. Additionally, the keyboard is spill-proof, which is a great feature for those who might accidentally knock over a drink while gaming or working. At a price point of around $77.30, especially with the current discounts, the AULA F99 Pro offers excellent value for money. With its combination of features, performance, and aesthetic appeal, it stands out as one of the best custom gaming keyboards available today. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious enthusiast, the AULA F99 Pro is definitely worth considering for your next keyboard upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.